Hello my crafty friends, this is Monica from Allsewpetite. Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at the ideaCam S1 Pro from BenQ. This isn't just any webcam. It's packed with a lot of cool features that I'm really excited to show you. Before we jump into unboxing and testing this webcam, I have a quick disclaimer I want to share. This is my very first webcam that isn't included with a laptop. So I'll be the first to admit I'm not very tech savvy. So in this video, I'm going to mainly focus on how quick and easy it is to set up, whether it's user friendly, and whether it can enhance my experience when filming tutorials and going live on YouTube and Zoom. Also, to be fully transparent, BenQ sent me this webcam for review. However, I wasn't paid for this review or asked to say anything specific. So anything that I'm going to discuss and talk about in this review is my personal opinion. I really appreciate the quality of this box. It's sturdy and gives off a premium vibe right from the start. Okay, let's open it and see what's inside. Inside the box, you'll find some documents, including a quick start guide, a warranty card, and other helpful info. Everything is organized and protected inside this laser cut foam. Let's go through the components one by one. First, we have the control pack, which lets you easily manage your webcam settings. However, it only works if you install BenQ Inspire software. This is a free software with some really cool features that allow you to flip a screen, add notes, take measurements, and so much more. Inside the box, you will also find 2 batteries and a USB nano receiver. Then we have one monitor mount, which is perfect for securing the webcam to your screen. A 15x macro lens that magnetically connects to the webcam for those detailed close-up shots. And of course, the actual webcam plus a privacy shield. Let's see how quick and easy it is to set up. First, you'll have to place the mount on top of the monitor with the weighted side against the back and lock it in place. Next, place the webcam on top and connect the USB cable to your computer. Lastly, if you want to use the control pack, insert the batteries, connect the nano receiver to your computer, and open the Inspire program. That's all! Super simple, right? Now let's see it in action. As you can see, the video quality is clear and crisp. Perfect for video calls, streaming, or recording content. It is definitely a huge upgrade from my regular laptop webcam. With your control pack, you can easily adjust the focus and zoom in and out without fiddling with software settings, which is absolutely fantastic in my book. You can even mute your mic, freeze frame on your screen, or take a selfie. I've been using this webcam for a couple of weeks now, and I really like that it offers 3 different view modes. First, there is a standard portrait mode, which is perfect for those face-to-face Zoom meetings or live streams. Next, there is the top-down view, so you can share your desk or workspace during tutorials or presentations. This is ideal if, like me, you work with your hands and want to demonstrate a specific sewing technique or share a pattern drafting tutorial. The best part is that you can quickly flip between the portrait and top-down view. When I tried it for the first time, I was amazed that it also automatically switched the orientation on the screen, making the transition so much smoother and user-friendly for me and my viewers. Since I'm using a laptop, I was initially reluctant to use the top-down view. After all, nobody wants to look at my keyboard, right? However, I quickly realized that I could screw the mount to my tripod and enjoy all the features. This setup is excellent for more of a vlog style filming, which gives me more flexibility to capture my workspace from different angles and make my videos more engaging. Lastly, the handheld view offers flexibility for capturing anything around you, making it super versatile for spontaneous shots or detailed close-ups. This is especially true if you add the macro lens. Just attach it to the webcam and hold it close to the object you want to show. Just look at the level of detail you can capture. Of course, no product is perfect, and I've noticed a few drawbacks with this webcam. First, what I really don't like is that the cable is attached to the webcam. When you want to hold the webcam and show your work from different angles, it tends to get in the way, which is frustrating. Next, the webcam sits on top of the mount without being locked in place. On one hand, I get it. This allows you to grab it and quickly remove it from the mount if you want to show your work from different angles. But at the same time, whenever I use the top-down view, I'm always afraid that my webcam is going to fail and break. For the price of around 170, 180 pounds, I think this webcam is excellent. Despite those minor drawbacks, its versatility and high quality performance make it a great addition to any setup. Whether you are into crafting, teaching, or simply need a reliable webcam for your meetings and content creation, the BenQ ideaCam is the perfect solution. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in checking out this webcam for yourself, I've included a link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and tutorials. See you next time. Stay crafty, friends. Bye.